Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will guide you walk through step by step to install Microsoft Office 2021 from Microsoft Office official website. So you can open the browsers and then go to the first link. I will provide two links in the video description below. So the first link, when you reach the web page, this is called Office Customization Tool. For the products and release, you can select 64 bits and then scroll down, select Office Suite Products. You can select Professional Plus 2021. In this case, if you wish to get another product like Visual, you can select this product. If you wish to get others, you can select for the additional, but to be default here, I select only Microsoft Office Plus and Visual. And you can keep it playing here, you will get the latest version. As you can see the detail, what application will you get. So you will get all of these mentioned applications. So we keep it default here. Then scroll down on language, select primary language. If you are in the other region, you wish to get other preferred language, you can select the others. But for myself, I will select English United States. And then move on. The installation, you can keep it default here. For the update and upgrade option, you can keep it playing there. And then scroll down, license and activation. Yes, you can keep it by default. And then move on to the export. And then select on Office Open XML formats. And then click on I accept. Then click on export. It will give you the option to save the file. So I save the file into the app folder. Click save. You can see it's already in download successfully. So on the second link, you have to download Office Deployment Tool. So just click download. It will give you the option to save the file again. I save to the app folder and then click save. Now we can see the file is already downloaded successfully. Now move on to File Explorer. Download. App folder is the place where I store the file for the download here. In the download folder here, you will see two files. So you can click Run as Administrator. Click yes. Accept the license and continue. It will ask you where is the configuration file. You can see it is in the same folder, in the app folder. Okay. So now we get the installation file. So to install this app, you have to open the CMD and then run it as the administrator. And then click yes to confirm. So you have to get the command. So we go to our download folder. So you can see you have to change your location to this current directory. So you can say you can click here and then copy. And then open the command prompts and then tap cd and then paste what you have copied from the directory. And then now you already place into the current directory of the app folder, and then go to the link here. Then I will provide this command in the video description. I just copy the command and then paste it to here. So the file are getting string ready. You just take breaks, enjoy yourself, just take some coffee, and then can come back when it get done. It will take more time to install this application, so just make yourself free and easy. It will install successfully. Once it finishes, you can come back. Yes, after take some breaks and the application takes some time to install, the process to complete. Now you can see the application is already installed. So you just click close, then your application will be available on your PC. Just check like Microsoft Word. You will see it's already available on your PC. Thank you for watching the video.